Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to tell you the power of writing your goals. Yes my friend, you have to write your goals. See my friend, I'm telling you something. Suppose you are saying that from today you will read or write or something, you do something to improve your English, right? But you have not actually written about that. You have to write in a notebook, or you can take a big paper. I suggest this. Please take some pencil which is different color. Okay, it really affects your psychology. So for that you have to just take a paper, take a big paper. I would suggest that right there, that within next 2-3 months what you are going to do to improve your English, what are the steps you are going to take. So you have to write it down. If you just write it down, your mind will automatically it will work towards that direction, because it is in your mind. You have not written about all this thing. It could be anything, okay my friend, anything. You have to write it down. It really helps. It really boosts your confidence. Now you will wake up that I have to do that. I have to read. I have to write something so that I can improve my English, or step by step. And suppose if you're writing something, what you will write, like vocabulary or what kind of grammar rules you're gonna write. So build that habit of writing and make a deadline that within this month I'm gonna finish all this portion. It will help. Without any specific target, anything, a specific goal, nothing gonna happen. It could be learning a language, or your fitness goals, or your career goals. Nothing will happen. I had the same sort of goal that I have to learn it within 5 years. So you can see my fluency and all. So this thing, it never built. I didn't build it within 1 day or 1 month or 1 year. It took me nearly 8 years to do that. Completely different language you are going to learn. For that you have to set a goal. Without setting a goal, forget about learning English. You're trying, but never going to happen anything, because you don't have goal. That what are the steps you are going to take, what sort of things you are going to do. It's not in written. So write my friend, just write it down. If you write it down, you will see automatically your brain will start working towards that direction, and you will become a fluent English speaker. So please my friend, write it down and just follow that, and one day you will become a fluent English speaker, and you can speak anywhere, in public, in your academics also. You will do wonders. So thank you for today, and keep watching eTrainingPoint.